In this video, we're going to be checking out the best games for camping trips that you can buy today. While camping is the perfect time to relax around a campfire and go sightseeing on hiking trails, it is also ideal for spending quality time with friends and family. One of the best ways to create a fun, memorable trip is to incorporate plenty of family camping games. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing camping games. These games are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So, if you're looking for the best games for camping trips, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Exploding Kittens. Exploding Kittens card game is the most backed Kickstarter project ever, having raised more than $8 million. And it's easy to see why when you look at the cards. They are fun and contain artwork and text from Matthew Inman, who is the creator of the webcomic The Oatmeal. The whole point of Exploding Kittens is to not draw an exploding kitten card. Once you do, you're out. That's the luck part. And since you can't end your turn until you draw a card, the threat is always there. To stay in the game, you can try to use all the other cards to your advantage. That's where the strategy comes in. You want to lower your odds of drawing the dreaded card by increasing the odds that your opponents will. This is done with the use of the other cards in the deck. Every player gets one diffuse card, which counteracts the exploding kitten card. You only get to play it once, but you'll stay alive and you get to put the exploding kitten card back in the deck wherever you want. If you think it through carefully, you might be able to knock the next opponent out. Nearly anyone can play Exploding Kittens because it's pretty easy to grasp, but not everyone will love it. Its warped sense of humor is fun and lighthearted, but ultimately it requires patience, concentration, and cold-hearted strategy. For some, that's the very definition of fun, but others will be bored, which is why it gets our number 5 spot. In at number 4 is the GoSports Tipsy Toss game set. GoSports Tipsy Toss is the ultimate flying disc toss game for everyone to enjoy. The full set includes 2 Tipsy Toss targets, 2 bottles, 1 flying disc, and carrying case for travel and storage. This makes it a great game for camping trips. The aim of the game is simple. Throw the flying disc at your opponent's target and earn points by dropping their bottle, and if they fail to catch the disc. Tipsy Toss is a toss game staple for anyone who enjoys backyard lawn games, tailgating fun, and flying disc games. Gameplay is easy for all skill levels, and mastering the game is a fun challenge that'll keep everyone entertained for hours at your next camping trip. Tipsy Toss sets up in seconds and can be staked into grass or sand for maximum stability during gameplay and quickly disassembles for storage into the included carrying case, making it a great game for fun on the go. The third product on our list is the Nite Ize Flashflight LED Light-Up Flying Disc. The flashlight was designed by a professional player, so it performs beautifully. Made of lightweight, durable materials, with true balance and long straight flight, it weighs 185 grams and looks, feels, and flies like the highest quality non-illuminated discs. In other words, you'll want to reach for it even during the day. But at night, with a simple press of the switch, the long life 100,000 hours LED lights up with a patented fiber optic array that extends to its rim, so the entire disc is illuminated from every angle. This makes this flying disc unique and really fun to play. It's available in 4 bright colors, and it provides endless hours of nighttime entertainment for everyone from the serious athlete to your crazy Uncle Max. Great for lawn, park, camping, and beach games. It's water resistant and comes with easily replaceable long-life batteries. This is a super fun game to play at any time, but especially at night. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the GoSports Pro Grade Ladder Toss. There's nothing better than spending quality time with friends and family camping. And if the people in your life are competitive, you'll want a game or two to play. Without a doubt, one of the best is ladder toss. While it may not be as famous as other lawn games, the ladder toss is as fun as they come. It's easy to play, but hard to master. The ladder toss involves throwing 2 balls connected by a string onto a small ladder. You get points based on what rung your balls land on, and whoever reaches 21 first is the victor. This model from GoSports is a top-quality ladder toss. It's made of lightweight PVC, like the majority of ladder ball sets, but features different colored rungs that add real character. The built-in scoring system is also vital and should keep disputes over the point tally to a minimum. And it's easy to break down and pack into the included carrying case when you're done. The best game for camping is the Himal Collapsible Portable Cornhole. Cornhole is a game that needs no introduction. It is highly addictive and a great way for family and friends to bond at tailgate parties, the beach, or over the holidays, irrespective of your age or expertise level. The game is especially perfect for taking along on camping trips. A good cornhole board needs to be sturdy and have a slippery surface so the bags can slide, and this set doesn't disappoint. The innovatively designed 2-in-1 game set from Himal lets you play cornhole and tic-tac-toe, both of which are classic games for non-stop entertainment. This bean bag toss game set is easy to assemble and can also be carried and stored easily. It collapses into a compact size and fits neatly inside its sturdy 12-inch diameter round nylon bag that comes with a handle. This way, you can easily take it along to the beach or the campsite. Cornhole is the ultimate outdoor game, and this is the best set for camping. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.